Hey, what's up guys? Brian here, and today I'm gonna be showing my 2010 BMW 328i E90. So, to start off, I'm gonna show what I've done to it so far. I didn't do much. Well, when I bought the car, it was all stock, obviously, and what I did was I added a glossy black grille and these end stripes, but I'm debating if I want to take them off or not. And yeah, let's see. I also added these front splitters on each side. Makes it look more aggressive. I plastic dipped my wheels black, and I did it with my friends, and it honestly did not come out that good. I plan to redo it when I have time. Yeah, as you can see, we actually missed a lot of spots, and it doesn't look that good, but from far away it looks alright. I don't know. A lot of you guys might think it's like, you know, a bit ricey to plastic dip my rims like that, but I just think it gives it more of an aggressive look. And I do plan to get rims for the future, but I don't really have enough money now, and yeah. I have a Severe Sky sticker, so that's pretty cool. And I added this lip spoiler. It cost me about 60 bucks painted. I think it looks pretty nice. Oh, and the front splitters, I forgot to mention the price. Those were about $100. Yeah, and oh yeah, I also got a muffler delete, and I got these new burnt tips. I think they look pretty cool. As you can see, I got a muffler delete. So yeah, they just cut out the muffler and put a pipe in there. I kept the muffler, it's in my garage right now. And yeah, I'll let you guys hear how the exhaust sound now. So yeah, that's how it sounds. Hold on. I didn't want to rev it too loud because I'm actually in a parking space where there's a lot of cars here, so I don't want to make too much noise. And that's pretty cool. There's some pretty nice cars in here, like a WRX and that G right there. And I'll show you guys how the interior looks now. So, first thing you may notice is I don't have a screen, but I'm completely fine with that because I bought this thing right here to stick my phone on. And yeah, I also have an aux wire, and yep, this car is an automatic. yeah, I might be getting a lot of hate for that, but yeah, my dad didn't want me to drive a manual car because he just thought it wasn't practical. But I definitely plan to get a manual car in the future. And yeah, because I really do want to drive manual because it's way more fun than driving automatic, obviously. And yeah, I also have some more Severe Sky stickers. That's a Team 7 from Naruto, if you guys don't know. And yeah, that's about it. Haven't really done much of the car except for cosmetic mods. And yeah, I guess that's it. And I'll do a bit of a drive around. And yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna be driving around a little bit with the windows down, or my driver's side down, and yep. I'm just gonna be driving around in the parking lot because I do have to go into the mall later to return something. I'll go ahead and go into the parking lot. Or the parking structure, I mean. Oh, somebody's backing out. So yeah, there's definitely some more things I want to do to my car. I got this car about a month ago, so yeah, I don't really know what to do to it yet, but I do plan to do a lot of stuff to it to make it look really nice. And yeah. So I'm gonna turn into the parking lot in a second. So yeah guys, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and leave a like down below if you want to, and subscribe, and yeah, thanks so much for watching.